Ever feel like you're caught in a storm with no shelter? Well, let's build your sanctuary.
We're going to explore this powerful idea of becoming a Quranic human, someone truly grounded and secure.
You know, in this crazy world, it's so easy to feel scattered, but there is a path back.
So, let's forge the spiritual armor together, step by step, to find that lasting peace. Okay, part 1. We're starting with our foundation, the powerful Surah Al-Ikhlas. This chapter reconnects us to As-Samad, the one who is self-sufficient and meets our every need.
Just feel that. This simple affirmation helps you reclaim your strength and build spiritual immunity.
All right, our core is secure. Now let's put up a shield against outside negativity.
It's about turning to the Lord of the daybreak, trusting that light always wins over darkness.
Try this. It's a beautiful way to align your heart with the promise of a new dawn.
And now for the final piece, mastering the world that exists inside our own minds.
This surah goes right after those intrusive whispers by reminding us who's really in charge.
What a powerful statement. You're handing the keys of your inner world back to its true king.
So how do we put this all together? Let's look at a simple daily ritual. When you follow these steps, you're making these divine principles a real part of your life. And you know, this is so much more than just a coping mechanism. It's a whole new way of living.
It means you have the divine tools to face anything with confidence, grace, and security.
And that's the core promise, isn't it? Take refuge in Allah, and you are never left exposed.
So, what if winning isn't about fighting harder, but about finding the right sanctuary? A thought to begin with.